Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my blog. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again. It's been a blog. For today's blog, showing you what we bought from Gandalo Gourmet. It is ricotta, turnover, and cheese. Ricotta, turnover, and cheese right here with spinach. So yummy and delicious. So enjoy watching everyone. Please like and share and subscribe. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to pull the notification bell, please. And more video for you guys to watch. If you have a phone, please subscribe. And thank you very much. And make a lot shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's me again, it's been a vlog. Saying hello everyone. God bless us all, and enjoy the rest of your night. And good evening here in Maryland, USA. Is 7:10 time check. 7:10 p.m. 7:10 p.m. is NPI time. Is 7:10 in the morning, and UK is maybe afternoon over there somewhere, and be safe wherever you are in the whole world. So magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga sa Pinas time, and magandang hapon somewhere in UK, wherever you are in the whole world. Stay safe as always. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. So take care, and wherever you are, stay safe, and have a good evening to you all, and God bless us all. So thank you again for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. And have a good night everyone. So this is delicious, yummy for our dinner tonight. So it's ricotta turnover, and this is geese spinach with ricotta also. So it is, did you try the Gandalo Gourmet? Is very yummy and delicious somewhere, and you can get it next to Trader Joe and the Kenilworth Shopping Center right there, and inside the mall. So thank you for watching. God bless so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. See you again soon, and take care, and God bless you all.